Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report your OnePay debit card as stolen. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say they're using the OnePay debit card and you want to go ahead and report it as stolen. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the OnePay app, then click on the cash window on the upper hand side. From here, click on the card icon on the upper right hand side. Next, scroll down and then click on replace card. Now on this page here, you can either report your card as damaged, missing, or stolen. Go ahead and click on my card was stolen. And then this is the address in which your replacement card will be sent to. But this right here is the address where your replacement card will be sent to. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.